Hey, Timothy here. This week I saw some pretty interesting product commercial videos and I wanted to give them a try for myself. I am going to be creating a ginger beer product commercial using just ginger beer, lemon, light, phone light, spray bottle, glass cup, tripod, and camera. Alright, there's my attempt at creating this product commercial. Thanks for watching. If you want to see me create a particular product commercial, comment below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.